Here's how to fix Android apps if they're not responding. Now let's swipe up from here and tap on your settings icon first. Once we're in your settings, you're going to scroll down towards the bottom and you're going to find the section for apps and tap on that. Once you're in the apps section, you're going to scroll down and find the specific app or apps that are not working. Let's say in this case, Snapchat keeps crashing on us and not working. We can always tap on the Snapchat app here. The first thing I would recommend doing is tapping on storage. We're going to first clear the cache, and then we're going to also clear the data. Essentially, this resets everything, but keep in mind, a lot of times it will delete out any of your draft data. Basically, if you have draft posts, etc., you might want to go in there and save them first. Now, after we've done that, let's go back out of here and we'll tap on App Details in Store at the very bottom. This will open this up into the Google Play Store. If there is an update available, just tap on the Update button to get the latest version. If there is not an update available, I would recommend hitting the uninstall button and then just reinstalling it. This will force update all of the files for that app on your phone. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing I would do is open up a web browser like Google Chrome, and we'll just type in "is Snapchat down" and hit search. And then tap on Down Detector here, and you're going to see if there's an issue with the other app itself. Maybe it's not an issue with your phone itself, but an issue with the app. You can see if there's a big spike in reported outages. That's an issue with the app. You just need to wait until they get it fixed. The last thing I would recommend doing is tapping the volume down and side button, or just the side button, and hitting the restart button. You'd be surprised how many times just restarting your Android phone fixes a lot of bugs and glitches.